Want to learn how to draw and customize curved arrows in Microsoft Word? Let's get right into it. First, head up to the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. Next, click on the Shapes button to open the menu. Under the Lines category, click and select the Curve tool. Now, bring your cursor down to your page. Click once to start your line, drag it downward, click again to define the peak of your curve, and then double-click where you want the line to finish. If you prefer a thick block style instead, go back to Insert, Open Shapes, and look for the Block Arrows section. Select one of the pre-made curved arrow shapes. Click and drag anywhere on your workspace to place it on your document. To customize any arrow, right-click on the shape and select Format Shape to bring up the formatting panel on the right. Under the line options, you can increase the width to make your line thicker and much easier to see. Change the color to anything you like, such as a bright red. To change the style, click on Dash Type and select a dashed or dotted look. And you're all set. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more fast word tutorials.